Hey guys, Ray from CME. You're in the shop again tonight with me. Lucky you. So anyway, the hood came out beautiful. Water drain. Super happy, super happy with the hood. Very pleased with the result. It's flat, it's smooth, it's beautiful. I can't wait to get the finished coat of primer on it. Fenders, they're not bad. They're gonna need a little touching later on when we revisit them. But my concern, as I said before, was that the hood is taken care of, so we don't have to disturb it in any way when we get back to this. I do want to show you something. So I blocked out the bulge. You saw that in the last video. I blocked out the bulge part, and I used this block. I used this block. Okay? And it was okay, it looked good, but I just wasn't happy. So I did go back and I re-guide coated the center of the hood, and this time, instead of blocking with that one, I used this one. So this is a 24-inch block. It's still not the biggest one I have, but with the distance, you can see this covers pretty much half, at least about half the distance of the hood. So with that, I was able to cover pretty much the full distance of the whole center of the hood. I gotta remember to look here and not over here. So with that said and this done, I'm very happy with the hood. It's gonna be great. I can't wait to recoat it Monday. And for me, for now, I am done for the weekend. What can I say? It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. All right, well, I'm gonna give you a quick listen. Does anybody recognize what you're hearing? Yeah, great stuff. All right, guys, have a great night. Have a blessed weekend. Be safe. We'll see you soon. See you Monday. Bye.